When you are going for higher studies, choosing a country can be a tricky business. In fact, when I was applying for my master's, I faced the same problem. I had admission offers from NTU in Singapore and Georgia Tech in the US. And at that time, I took a hard decision of going ahead with Singapore. The fact that Singapore is so close to India was definitely one of the major reasons why it felt like a more comforting option. But now that I look back, I believe it's one of the best decisions that I've taken in my life. I am Neha Agrawal. I have a master's degree from NTU Singapore and have studied and worked in Singapore for almost 3 years. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 reasons why Singapore is the best country to live in for a student. Towards the end, I will also share with you my cost of living as a student. So do watch this video till the very last. But before that, if you like what I am saying, do hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel. It will tell me that I should make more videos like these about studying abroad. And now, let's get going. The first reason why you should study in Singapore is the safety. Singapore has been ranked as the second most safest city in the world, and I personally loved this feeling of being safe. I remember my first night in Singapore when I left my house to take a walk at 12 AM in the night. The fact that nothing could happen to me was amazing. You know what I mean? Even if I stay in India and I go out at late night, I do have to be careful at all times. Let me share another incident with you. The day that I landed in Singapore, I was at the airport and I lost my bag, which had money and some important admission documents. And I panicked at that moment because if such a thing happened at home, there were very slim chances I would find my bag, let alone with money inside. And this was a new country, for crying out loud. But 10 minutes later, the airport police actually found my bag and returned it back to me. So, if you're stepping out of your home for the very first time and you or your parents are nervous about sending you away, then please don't worry. You're going to one of the most safest cities in the world, in fact, even more safe than your very own. The second reason why you should study in Singapore is for the true international experience. One of the major reasons why we wish to study abroad is for international exposure, right? To mingle with people from different nationalities and know about their culture and traditions. And Singapore provides you with just that. People are friendly, accepting, and genuinely want you to be a part of their circle. When I was studying in Singapore, a lot of my friends were studying in the US. And what they told me was that in the US, they used to form like groups of 8 to 10 people who were all Indians, and they used to eat together, live together, and go and visit the different places together. So it was basically like they were all in a foreign country, but without any foreign interaction. And it was not at all like that in Singapore. In fact, I had more international friends than I had Indian friends. And it was one of the best experiences of studying in Singapore. The third reason why you should study in Singapore is its conducive environment. Singapore is home to some of the top universities in the world like NUS, NTU, SMU, SUTD and INSEAD to name just a few. The city is full of young and energetic people who are really passionate about their career, and this positive vibe makes you strive for excellence. Also, the infrastructure and the facilities provided by these universities is top-notch. And with so many good universities around, it also promotes cross-university collaboration. The fourth reason why you should study in Singapore is the affordable accommodation. For a lot of countries, including the US, on-campus accommodation is more expensive than off-campus one. Which means, if you are planning to study in the US, you need to look for off-campus apartments and sometimes rent them out while you are still in India. And all these things can be a very stressful process. While if you are studying in Singapore, on-campus accommodation is subsidized, it is cheaper than off-campus accommodation, and you also get preference over the locals because you are a foreign student. You can get rooms on campus for as low as 400 Singapore dollars, while if you go outside looking for a decent room, the cost can go up to $600 or even more. So definitely accommodation is very convenient if you're studying in Singapore. The fifth reason why you should study in Singapore is the easy availability of food. Being a vegetarian, I thought living in Singapore will be tough and food will be expensive and difficult to get. But it was not at all like that. You can find Indian cuisine on campus very easily. In fact, NTU had 6 to 8 canteens that offered Indian food. And if you were bored with campus food, you could step outside and eat at hawker centers. And the cost per meal would be somewhere around $4 to $6, making it pretty affordable for international standards. And if you are a vegetarian and if you're going to Singapore to study, you should definitely try out the Mala hot pot. It was my favorite Singaporean dish while I was there. The sixth reason why you should study in Singapore is the availability of part-time jobs. So if you plan to work part-time to cover a part of your living expenses, Singapore is really a good place. When I was studying in Singapore, a lot of my friends used to work as tuition teachers, where they used to offer part-time tuition to students in the 5th or 6th standard. You can also work with some of the professors for a research position, and if they have enough funding, they're going to sponsor it for you. Otherwise, you can also work in the supermarkets like Giant and Prime for $10 an hour. When I was studying in Singapore, I worked as a communication coach for a part-time job, and I loved it so much that now it's my full-time job. So you can understand how much Singapore can contribute towards your career. The seventh reason why you should study in Singapore is the stable political scenario of the country. The laws related to visas and foreign workers, they've not changed much for a very long time. And that helps you make a more informed decision about what you're getting yourself into. And I can't really say the same thing for the US. Because a change in presidency changes a lot of dynamics in the country. And you can often find yourself feeling lost as to what your opportunities will be after you graduate. So that way, Singapore is a very safe option for you. The eighth reason why you should study in Singapore is traveling. Traveling in Singapore is so convenient and affordable. So there are public buses and there is the MRT, which is the metro, which connects the entire land together, that you don't need cabs at all. You can literally travel from one point of the country to another in $2. Also, campuses like NTU and NUS, they are huge. So there are university buses to take you from one point of the university to another, and that too free of cost. So you don't even need to cycle or have your own bikes for that matter. So traveling is super convenient in Singapore. The ninth reason why you should study in Singapore is the climate. Singapore is a tropical country and it's situated near the equator, so it has a tropical climate, which means that it remains hot throughout the year. And it is like two primary seasons, which is rainy and not so rainy. So whenever it rains, the temperature drops and it gets very comfortable. And personally, I would prefer this climate any day over US and European countries where the temperature can drop to sub-0 degrees and it can get freezing. And finally, you should study in Singapore because you can never get bored. Singapore is a land of the tourists and there are so many places that you can visit, like the Marina Bay Sands, the Gardens by the Bay, the Jurong Bird Park, and also the Universal Studios at Sentosa Island. And if you're bored with all of that in the first 1 year, you can also visit the countries nearby, like Batam in Indonesia or Malacca in Malaysia for a short break. Or if you want, you can also plan longer holidays to Vietnam and Cambodia. So Singapore will make sure that you are entertained throughout your program. So guys, these are the top 10 reasons why you should definitely study in Singapore. People call Singapore as one of the most expensive cities in the world. But what they don't tell you is that Singapore is an expensive city for the extravagant. If you like luxury and if you like spending money, then you can spend money in a click of a finger in Singapore. But if you're concerned about your budget as a student, you can also manage it without affecting your cost of living. When I was studying at NTU, my monthly expenditure was somewhere around $700 or $800 tops. But at the same time, I also had friends who were staying on campus just like me, and their monthly expenditure was about $1,500. So it completely depends on you as to the kind of lifestyle that you choose for yourself. So guys, I hope this video helped you in clearing some of your doubts and making a more informed decision about Singapore. If you have any more questions, please leave your comments below and I will try and clear them for you. Also, if you like this video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel. It will motivate me to make more videos like these about my personal experience. And now, thank you so much for watching this video and I wish you all the very best for your career ahead.